Welcome to the class. Wezova nusronpea. Le nusosron ya mea lenkude Xaxagbeɖiɖi ƒokpliwo ŋuti. In this lesson, we will look at digraphs, consonant clusters, and trigraphs. Please note that these are a combination of 2 or 3 letters to produce specific sounds. Knowing the sounds and how to make them helps you to pronounce every word with the correct soundings and tones. Without a vowel, they are useless. They always depend on vowels to form words. We'll get to see some examples as the lesson progresses, and you get the opportunity to also form words by yourself. Digraphs.
Xaxagbeɖiɖi ƒokpliwo.
Ch.
Chi. Cho.
J.
Je. Jo.
Ñ.
Nyɔnu. Nyi.
P.
Kplɔ. Akple.
Gb.
Gbɔ̃. Gba.
Also note that these character combinations begin words or are in the middle of words. They never end a word. Here is an exercise for you. Say these words out loud. Consonant clusters and trigraphs will be treated in our next episode. Do stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share.